밤, 노인 공격을 받고 말았는데 드와이트를 구금한 인물은 연방기관 소속요원 무소.
Why am I here, Musso?
그는 드와이트가 정보원을 죽이는 바람에 인베르니시 패거리를 제거하려던 2년간의 준비가 엉망이 되었다고 하는데요.
You did 25. You didn't rat, but you also didn't learn anything.
자신에게 협조하지 않으면 펠사에 정착하려 저지른 모든 범법 행위를 기소하겠다고 협박합니다.
As a law enforcement agency, but you. So when I call, you answer, or it all goes very dark for all of you.
이 제안을 거절할 수 없었던 드와이트는
But I want to apologize. It's a long story.
Tell me, who are they?
They know everything that's happened since I came to Tulsa. You're too good a person to be around this. Yes.
Where are you going?
마거리과의 관계를 정리하죠. 돌아가는 길, 그는 레이라는 인물의 전화를 받게 되는데요.
Yeah, how you doing, Ray? It's really not a good time.
Make it a good time. You got family up here, no?
All right. It never f***ing ends. Here we go.
그는 뉴욕 시절부터 알고 지내던 마피아였습니다.
Hey,
Man, crazy.
for a lifetime.
Just want to say I'm glad you come in and talk to me.
Yeah, it's always great to talk to the boss.
I wasn't too happy the way they did your deal.
젊은 조직원들이 드와이트에게 저지른 짓이 불만스럽다며 대화를 시작한 그는 그동안 받지 못한 것을 주겠다고 하는데요.
I'm happy with what I got. Tulsa is my home now. As for New York, it's in good hands with you.
It's time to share
결국은 지금 버는 것을 나누자는 뜻이었죠.
with your real family.
I get the picture.
You know, luck isn't permanent.
Good seeing you.
드와이트는 단호하게 그 뜻을 거절합니다.
You offered me my own territory.
That's generous, right?
And you also offered me retirement.
Retirement's worth consideration.
Not happening.
Highway 45, Rambler has cut all the ties.
그는 혼자서 혼란스러운 머릿속을 정리하는데요.
Why'd you walk away?
I mean, seriously. I'm an over the whole Goomba. That's
I had it made before everything went sideways. You were the general, right?
상징적인 선물을 건네며 곁으로 다가온 마거리 덕분에 마음을 다잡게 되지요.
Oh my lord.
Well, now this Eldorado.
자동차 대리점을 맡은 미치는 나름 열심히 영업했지만
This here's a car that I would buy for my own mother.
Enough to be your mother.
성과는 별로였습니다.
Say something be sweet and somehow it still comes out wrong.
이때 아버지의 증류소를 정리하기 위해 고향에 들렀다는 전애인 클레오와 재회하죠.
Can't be good if I'm back in Tulsa.
who's in line to purchase.
그녀는 내심 미치가 아버지의 사업을 인수해 주기를 기대했는데요.
Think of me fondly.
때마침 일이 적성에 맞지 않았던 미치는 그녀의 뜻에 관심을 가졌고
There he is. What's the problem?
An old girlfriend of mine who, let's just say, we're very close until I did prison time, and gave me this.
You're embarrassed because this broad saw you and
Fucking embarrassing, all right? All right, taste this. He's selling his business, liquor license with it.
드와이트도 품질 좋은 위스키에 흥미를 보이며 사업을 인수하기로 하죠.
That's good. That's smooth. That's top shelf.
하지만 이들은 작은 장애물을 만나게 됩니다.
Wasn't sure you'd show up.
Me, Cleo Montague.
Nice to meet you. I hear you're selling your distillery.
I'm sorry.
증류소의 주인인 테오도르가 먼저 약속한 사람이 있다며 드와이트의 제안을 거절한 것.
I'll double it.
Tempting. It's complicated.
단순히 약속이 아니라 둘 사이에는 어떤 비밀이 있는 것 같았습니다.
My word.
Cole Dunmeyer.
What do you want, Cole?
Yours.
So deliver it then.
We'll see you around.
한편 보디는 캔자스시티에 다녀오란 지시를 받습니다.
We need you to deliver Casey's share of the weed proceeds.
Dwight wants this.
I'm speaking for Dwight.
No, why don't you just send Tyson?
Then you send a team. This is team building. Go. Represent.
불편한 명령이었지만 어쩔 수 없이 길을 떠나게 되죠.
You okay?
Excellent. Just dropping off cash to the guy who killed Jimmy. Why wouldn't I be okay?
Hell no, this grasshopper green, bro.
Let's get it done.
보디의 친환경차는 도로 한복판에서 배터리가 떨어지는데요.
We have to pull over to charge.
Hey, Jesus.
Because Bodhi's toy fucking car lost the charge premature.
드와이트는 할 수 없이 베빌라 쿠아에게 이번만 약속 장소를 바꿔달라고 부탁하지요.
What the fuck is you talking to, man?
I'm talking to you. Is this guy ever fucking calm?
For my mother.
Yeah, she's gonna be thrilled with that.
All right, so bad. When they get here, we're just gonna let me handle all the talking, all right?
베빌라 쿠아 쪽 조직원들은 약간 짜증난 상태로 약속 장소에 도착합니다.
We give a shit. Where's the money?
Oh, snap, snap.
Hold up. The fuck is this?
I grabbed the wrong.
그런데 보디는 평소답지 않은 허술한 실수를 하나 더 저질렀고
To the shop where the cash is.
You get in our car now.
한 남자와 함께 가게로 돌아가게 됩니다.
Front seat, asshole.
Your arms are gonna get tired.
I'm strong. Let's go, funny man.
천천히 돈을 챙기던 보디.
You have a very memorable face.
What the fuck do you mean?
남자에게 총을 들이밀며 위협하는데요.
After you killed my best friend,
I don't know nobody you know.
but you're a lousy shot. You only got him.
그는 지미를 죽였던 조직원이었고 보디는 복수가 하고 싶었던 거였죠.
Say thank you, shitty little life. Thank you. Worthless, stupid life.
Close enough. Grab your money and get the fuck out.
당연히 문제가 됐지만
Hello.
Fuck you, hello. My man in the fucking weed shop put a gun in his face.
Did you get what you were owed?
This mother.
드와이트에게는 아니었습니다.
You don't want to sell to Dunmire because of this handshake from a guy who was twisting your arm. But the main thing here is your legacy. It's a win-win.
Dunmire will react.
Is my enemy. Let me be your friend.
드와이트는 결국 증류소를 사게 되는데요. 이 소식은 드와이트를 감시하고 있던 무소에게도 들어갔고
The Lord before all else.
이 지역을 지배하고 있던 딕시 마피아 제레미야 덤마이어의 귀에 들어갔습니다.
No, we got a problem with Montague. That be.
그는 직접 찾아와 거래 파기를 확인했고
Did we or did we not shake on a deal?
You forced my hand.
Fair enough, Theodore. Give you my blessings on this new endeavor.
그 뒤에는 보복이 이어졌죠. 뉴욕 마피아가 보기에도 과한 수준의 보복이었죠.
The Dixie Mafia boys don't fuck around.
Like we do.
Pardon me. Hey, sorry I'm late.
What the hell is that?
They're running the Georgia Classic. This is all they had.
It's embarrassing, man.
It could have been pink.
Margaret, it's a big crowd here. I didn't expect that.
Shit, Dunmire.
대담하게도 장례식장에까지 나타난 제레미야.
And Freddie, right?
You know me?
I'm not the type of man that you want to fuck with.
드와이트에게 대놓고 저기를 드러내는데요.
Take it off your hands.
Not interested.
가격에 3배를 주겠다고 제안할 만큼 중요소 사업에 집착하는 모습을 보입니다.
Not the foul hand of a bottom feeder.
두 노인 사이의 팽팽한 긴장감은 노안 클레오와 제레미야의 아들 콜이 마주치며 끊어지죠. 조사해보니 10년이나 수익을 내지 못하고 있던 테오도르의 사업.
Which they couldn't sell either, you know, because there's no distributor.
And we build our own distillery.
I'm too ancient. Offer me triple for what I paid. It's got to be worth more. That's what it tells me.
Funeral parlor business.
Funny.
경찰과 주지사까지 휘두르는 제레미야 때문이었습니다.
Mitch, who's the guy in that hat?
Insurance adjuster.
They're not gonna pay. It's fire inspector. That asshole.
Yeah, but he couldn't buy your father.
Look at the results.
Dig down, memory-wise.
드와이트는 그가 정말 탐내는 것이 무엇인지를 묻는데요. 클레오는 그를 오래된 창고로 이끌죠.
Wow. My dad's 50 here.
그곳에는 어마어마한 품질과 가격의 버번이 쌓여 있었습니다.
A legend in these parts.
Can go for $5,000 a bottle.
And there's 150 bottles per barrel, so that's
Holy shit.
드와이트는 덤마이어에 맞서 이 망가진 증류소를 다시 일으켜 세우기로 합니다.
This is where the magic happens. Dunmire killed the competition. Made sure every other distributor wouldn't touch us.
And we unfuck it.
And put the cash in the bank.
그나마 가장 우호적인 유통업자 월든을 찾아가죠.
I'm sorry, fellas, but 3 years ago, you were Montague's only distributor.
What are you so worried about? He's what?
그도 덤마이어의 영향력을 두려워하며 유통을 거절했지만
I'd like to talk about how you're feeling now.
So what's your specialty?
Psychology.
How's that work?
I simply try to understand people are very rude before I smash their heads.
I don't want to get hurt.
This Dunmire guy.
Dunmire.
Whatever.
Right.
이쪽도 마피아였습니다.
Dunmire?
Dunmire.
Dunmire.
주류 사업 소식을 들은 베빌라쿠아.
You got yourself a new hobby. Be self-occupied. It's good, except you forgot to tell your partner.
Didn't I just give you a call? You gotta trust me.
그는 덤마이어와의 마찰을 우려했지만
He's f***ing connected, Dwight. Dixie f***ing Mafia. Bad f***ing look.
드와이트는 동업을 제안합니다.
We're gonna use them to put liquor on shelves. And
50%.
no,
7.5%의 수수료가 마음에 들지 않았던 베빌라쿠아는 결정을 보류했지만
What is that? What you waited, Bert?
He'll take it.
Yeah.
이때 귀신같이 돈 냄새를 맡은 빈스가 전화하며 뉴욕에도 드와이트의 주류 사업 소식이 전해지게 되죠.
Cause I got your back. Ready to earn. All right, keep your buzzer on.
주류 사업이 본격적으로 시작되고
Joanne, my pops here. It's man Freddie, pleasure.
So what are you gonna kiss and make up?
Mirroring his phone, hacking his online identity. Every keystroke, I'll be there. I will control every aspect of his life.
Hey,
베빌라쿠아가 합류하기로 하며 보디는 억지로 원수와 화해하게 됩니다.
All right. Did you not just hear my plan?
물론 겉으로만요.
Down and down, know the down more to get right. Nothing hold me down.
50년 산 보물까지 출하 준비를 마친 드와이트.
Ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen.
Can't accuse you of having idle hands.
주지사 선거를 준비 중인 트레셔까지 포섭해 정치적 기반까지 미리 다지는 치밀함을 보입니다.
Don't I have to win first before the corruption starts?
Of course you're gonna win.
Favor.
If you know what's good for you, good luck there.
Yourself. Thanks for the drink.
머지않아 제레미야도 이들의 소식을 알게 되었고
I just got a call from Walden Eustace. No man Freddie was there. The Velacqua was at the Montague distillery. He's got transpo and soldiers. Keep it closer to home. Someone man Freddie cares about.
천천히 움직이기 시작하죠.
Maya, it was a pleasure.
The only person the man paid a visit to.
Hey, hold on.
Mitch?
클레오를 짝사랑하던 콜은 장례식에서의 소란을 사과하겠다며 찾아옵니다.
Well, I had nothing to do with your father's death.
You're gonna pay for this.
자신을 받아준다면 모든 문제가 해결될 거란 말 같지도 않은 제안도 들고 온 그는
I'd rather be dead.
I ain't hungry.
클레오는 미치와 다시 로맨틱한 관계를 이어가기 시작합니다.
Good night, Cleo.
Get good rest, babe.
이때부터 덤마이어의 공격이 시작되죠.
I got a feeling this shit's only about to get worse.
I'm the only one left, Mitch. Last Montague standing.
This ain't your fight.
Kinda is. I can't let him be forgotten.
불시 공격에도 콜은 오히려 큰 상처를 입고 돌아갑니다.
No need a gun. Let me see what you did. No, I need a hospital.
허접한 실패에 분노한 보스는 직접 적진의 모습을 드러냈고
Bigfoot.
Squandered opportunities, Mr. Manfredi.
So I can tell you all the reasons I dislike you.
It is tedious.
강력한 경고를 던지죠.
I am obligated to destroy everything you have built.
Hey, money's money. Who cares?
하지만 드와이트는 더 큰 경고를 되돌려 주었고
You're scared. Your empire's in danger, Dunmire. I'm gonna take it from you. Then 10 more, then 20 more. The back of what you and your kin.
전쟁이 시작됩니다.
I'll be watching both.
드와이트는 제레미야의 도발에 대응하지 말라는 지시를 내립니다.
We gotta know what the enemy is capable of. Hey, we're gonna take care of the threat when we know who we're fighting. No, capiche?
All right, let's focus on what's in front of us.
Yeah.
I'm sending you an address. Look for a white four-door.
무소의 호출을 받고 자리를 비우게 되는데요.
Where you going?
You're in the run. I got it from here.
You sure?
What the fuck? Open the door!
You've selected Nas.
I ain't fucking around now. Open the door!
That's some presidential suite in Nebraska and Alabama.
목적지를 알리지 않은 채 혼자 그를 만나게 되죠.
I should put you in a fucking coma.
Let's move.
자신이 드와이트의 모든 것을 꿰뚫고 있음을 여러 번 피력한 무소.
Kills women, children, anybody for.
덱스터 디컨이라는 테러리스트에게 대신 접근해달라는 목적을 드러냅니다.
Call him the watchmaker.
So you want me to whack him?
No, I want you to buy from him.
Call in undercover.
My guys will never pass the sniff test. A lot of people want you dead, so it's not much of a stretch that you might need Deacon's expertise.
연방요원치고는 과속탁시대려는 교통경찰조차 못 돼버릴 정도로 무능력해 보였지만
You getting a ticket, same team or not?
My name is Dwight Manfredi. Maybe you heard of me.
Step out.
So why don't you tell me what a felon and a fed are riding around for?
I give him information and he takes the heat off of some of my businesses. His mind is everywhere. Gavach, it's not working.
What the
You got kids? Do they like the Thunder, the professional basketball team? If you could show a little mercy, then your son's up courtside. Oh, thank you.
드와이트는 어쩔 수 없이 그의 요청을 들어줘야만 했습니다.
How may I be of service?
Keeps losing time.
의심 많은 덱스터는 처음 보는 이의 접근을 경계합니다.
I like that flag. How much?
That's 2,000.
Very smart.
What's that?
Using a watch shop to clean your money.
We done here?
No, Deacon.
You work for the feds.
Deacon, I'm here to make.
I don't do business with people I don't know.
Look up Dwight and Freddie. I'll be around.
드와이트는 진짜 신분을 노출하며 그의 연락을 기다리게 되는데요.
What you're getting is a whole lot of justice for a whole lot of people.
협박 때문에 협조하긴 했지만 무소의 작전 방식이 희한하다고 생각하지요.
Personal. Is this operation even sanctioned? Why wouldn't you send in a task force?
I only need one man for this, and that's you.
Should pick a fight with them Dunmar bitches.
보스가 자리를 비운 사이 또다시 의욕이 과해진 타이슨.
So let's get to know them.
Don't question it.
I'm saying yes to fact finding so we know what we up against.
How do we even know that Cole is in there?
뭐라도 알아보겠다며 동료들을 이끌고 콜의 뒤를 밟습니다.
We sure about this tail vehicle we've chosen? Good job, Tyson.
What now?
We go in.
We don't even know what's in there.
I'm about to start a fight club up in here if you keep on yapping.
If not, we'll go back to bottling, which, by the way, is what we're supposed to be doing anyway.
그렇게 도착한 곳은 어르신들의 빙고 게임장.
You're gonna have to holster that, son.
콜의 패거리는 이 게임장에서 노인들을 소소하게 벗겨먹고 있었고
We'll take a stack.
Good time today, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey,
I called him. I thought we were about to get into something nefarious.
you're actually playing?
Cole and his goons are running this operation.
Looks like Minnie Dunmire is running a scam.
See, I knew the Dunmires was bad, but scamming old folks.
Watch and learn.
B7.
Something just telling me you the lucky lady of the evening.
타이슨은 콜 일당과 짜고 치던 노인의 빈곤판을 가로채
44. God damn it, he can't pull a G to save his life. I'm so sorry. Give me a call.
39. Bingo!
용돈을 뜯어냅니다.
What the hell are you doing here?
Fuck you, pay us.
No payout for cheats. In front of all these other potential winners. We ain't done.
Bingo, motherfucker.
한편 미치는
Of the Irish variety.
I was making my way. I could use some fresh air.
클레오의 기분을 풀어주기 위해 드라이빙 데이트를 준비합니다.
Can I drive?
That was the idea. It's got a little kick. 20 on 1. Cleo.
클레오는 좀 도둑질을 하고
Cleo Crush.
Casual. See you outside, honey bun.
음주운전을 하는 등 충동적인 모습을 보이는데
Hey, no, don't even think about it.
갑자기 어느 저택으로 달려들어 정원을 망쳐놓기까지 합니다.
Cleo, stop the goddamn car.
이곳은 제레미야의 집이었죠.
Don't fucking do it, Cleo.
Fucking us!
Stop! To what do I owe the pleasure?
Forget. Let it go.
Accidents happen all the time.
Cleo, let's go.
This last time.
다행히 제레미야는 둘을 없애는 대신 경고로 넘어가 주었고 미치는 경솔한 클레오에게 크게 화를 내죠.
I said I'm sorry, Mitch.
Good goddamn way to get me sent back to Lompoc. Do you want
Sit
that?
around waiting for something to
Yeah,
happen.
well, you got no fucking choice. This is serious shit, Cleo. Life and death. Somebody starts some Dwight incident. Would you pull some shit like that back there? Jeopardize all of us and everything?
We're strangers.
I don't want that.
타이슨과 그 일당은 갑자기 생긴 꽁돈을 쓸어 스트릿 클럽을 찾습니다.
Oh, did y'all see the look on Cole's face today, man?
And now we got something to report back to Dwight. Got his hands on more than just booze. Thank you.
Hi.
Ooh, I'm Tyson. What's going on?
Nah.
미모의 스트리퍼의 간택을 받은 타이슨은
Really call it a night.
Hey, other plans been made.
일행의 만류에도 혼자 클럽에 남는데요.
How long you been?
I'd say stripper. I'm not gonna burst into tears.
또다시 큰 사고를 치는 계기가 되고 말죠.
I want the Montague 50.
There's nowhere.
콜은 50년 산 법원의 위치를 불라며 폭행을 가합니다.
Can you tell me now? No.
타이슨은 몰매를 맞으면서도 버텼지만
You gonna have to kill me. Am I? They put me in a position.
Whoa. She don't got nothing to do with this.
Don't count down.
What?
10, 7. Fuck. 3.
무고한 인질 앞에서 결국 입을 열고 맙니다.
Bingo. I gotta tell my old man the good news.
골칫덩어리 막내는 아슬아슬하게 목숨을 건졌고
Let me run something past you. I've been thinking about this Thresher campaign, what he's doing, trying to be governor. But the stumbling block is this Dunmire, because he's got the cops, the lawmakers, and I need some of them in mind.
You want me to see which way the wind's blowing?
You need to change the weather. Good. Sorry. Yeah, good. I gotta go.
콜은 드와이트의 분노를 사게 되지요.
How bad are you, Tyson? Dunmire won't.
드와이트는 지시를 어긴 부하들에게는
I'm going one day, and you managed to lose $150 million worth of unreplaceable booze.
화를 내는 듯이 그저 잃어버린 것을 찾아오기로 합니다.
Family does not leave family behind.
Then we find the 50 and we take what's ours.
Right, so I track it down. Grace,
Whoa, you forget about me, boss?
it's up to you to make it right.
대신 타이슨의 지위는 다시 바닥으로 내리꽂혔죠.
And in that fucking sneezy ass hall to begin with. He wouldn't have lit you up if you'd have kept your Pants on.
What the fuck is up with you, man?
Oh, I'm starting. You're the one that's.
Let's just accept that families f up.
드와이트가 자리를 비운 사이 아먼드의 아내 클레라가
Where's Manfredi?
남편이 사라졌다며 다녀갔는데요.
He was coming to see my kids. He never came. His phone, his apartment is empty.
Look, if I hear anything, I'll let you know. I promise. Armin's wife was just here. She doesn't know where he is either.
Okay, doctor.
유통 준비를 위해 방문했던 베빌라 쿠아도 아먼드의 실종을 걱정했지만
No, why?
Why? I mean, that's a real fucking problem.
Armand's not a rat.
드와이트는 오직 지난밤의 강도 사건에만 집중합니다.
They're not going anywhere.
I'll come back.
다행히 법원을 옮기는 장면이 CCTV에 포착되어 있었죠.
Okay, slow down.
두 보스는 영상 속 트럭의 주인을 찾아갔지만
Kill my boys. Don't you fucking move a muscle, you piece of shit.
What do you want to do?
Where is my fucking bourbon?
You gotta give me a break.
You gonna show me?
All right.
Fuck!
What happened?
Drew on me.
답을 얻지 못한 상태로 돌아오게 되지요.
I'm bypassing the firewall for Dunmire Enterprises Management.
보디는 던마이어의 조직의 컴퓨터를 해킹해 유통을 방해했고
I've been getting debt collector calls for a debt that ain't mine.
Bodhi could help you with that.
I'll try. What are you doing?
Is this making you happy?
이로 인해 조직은 꽤 큰 손해를 보았지만
All our shit's fucked up. 14%. You are a testament to my strength.
제레미야는 이번에도 평온해 보였습니다.
Outsourcing, stepping over dollars to pick up pennies. I got it back for you, Dad.
그토록 탐내던 법원을 가져왔지만 여전히 아들에게는 무심했죠.
Later.
마거릿은 트레셔의 선거를 돕기 위해 나섭니다.
You don't think I can do it on my own?
People don't like you.
Come on, they love me.
The voters, they like me. 'Cause I know them all. I got connections. Dwight doesn't know I'm here.
그 이유는 그가 소유한 목장 지분을 되찾기 위해서라고 못 박았지만
Tell me what happens when Dwight finds out.
You let me worry about Dwight.
트레셔가 그녀에게 호감이 있던 걸 잘 알고 있는 드와이트는 이 결정을 별로 반기지는 않죠.
You're going to events with him like a couple?
You got your business, I got mine. That's how it works. This is a smart move.
If I see him make a move on you, I'm gonna break his jaw in 6 places.
Who says you're not romantic?
마크는 아들을 크게 혼내며
Look at your face, I'm good. Everybody. You want to stay here and soak? We can call your mother so she can powder your ass.
I'm gonna.
직접 문제 해결에 나섭니다.
Serenity. We had us a little connection though, for real. She's special. She's different.
I don't care if she was Beyonce, not with the crew you run with.
Nobody no crew. Come on.
I had a life before your blessed arrival.
지금은 점잖은 아저씨지만 그 또한 젊을 때는 한가닥했던 양반이었죠.
When I met your mother, everything changed.
Yeah.
잠복하던 부자는 익숙한 여성을 발견하는데
The stripper.
Man's about to show you how it's done.
The worst fucking timing. What is
She
it?
driving Cole's truck.
But I'm with my pops now. We on her tail.
그날 타이슨을 유혹했던 스트리퍼가 한패라는 걸 알아냅니다.
Up, Dwight.
던마이어 조직과 마찰을 피하라는 무소의 경고가 있었지만
Engaging with Dixie Mafia over some moonshine bullshit.
Laser focus, Dwight. Ain't no fucking way.
법원을 되찾을 기회를 놓칠 수 없었죠.
I mean, look at cheat code, Pop. And now I don't want to make the same mistake twice. Well, speak of the devil.
Good job, Tyson.
법원을 처음 맛본 제레미야는 처음으로 크게 만족합니다.
Our Heavenly Father, bringing the fruits of our labor, for this was always your plan. We truly deserve its blessings.
Amen.
Amen.
그러나
Move and die, son.
그새 인질이 되어버린 시원찮은 아들놈.
Dunmire!
Today is most impressive.
Our booze back, and you get your blood back.
There's a fortune in them barrels. It's the legacy.
You're willing to let your kid die? That's impressive.
He was sacrificed in the name of the greater good, too.
God damn.
I surrender the field.
금쪽이를 위해
That I can't take back, Mr. Manfredi!
금쪽 같은 법원을 넘겨주게 된 제레미야는 드디어 분노를 불태우게 되죠. 이제야 모든 게 순조롭게 흘러간다는 생각에
I think it's kind of like a revolution. When I came here, I felt like a dead man walking. I didn't know anybody that I met. And I feel like I'm now getting a second shot at things. People need people.
It's true.
So you're not impressed with the revolution, but
Okay, I'm impressed.
I was like, no, try it, little.
So impressed.
Oh, fuck this, dude.
마음을 내려놓은 이때 빈스를 통해 털사의 소식을 전해받은 레이.
Just bought a distillery, making moves to expand.
Well, that's valuable news, and it won't be forgotten. You might not remember my voice.
How could I forget that voice?
You know, I knew your grandfather pretty well. Right by each other and made a hell of a lot of money together. Anyway, you need any advice about anything, a problem with anyone out there, I'm just a phone call away. You understand?
Yeah.
베빌라쿠아에게 접촉하며 드와이트를 노리기 시작합니다.
Welcome.
보디는 50년짜리 법원을 찬양하는 그럴싸한 가짜 영상을 제작합니다.
What happens when everybody finds out he's not real?
As soon as they taste the 50, they'll be thanking us.
Montague 50.
I think his followers are gonna eat this up.
There's only one way to find out.
이 영상이 바이럴되며 법원 론칭 행사인 엄청난 관심이 쏠리게 되죠.
Is there anyone in the bourbon world you didn't contact?
불붙은 제레미야는 당연히 이 행사를 가만히 두고 볼 생각이 없었고
Thought we could talk strategy.
Well, hell, son, what do you think we should do?
No, I was just trying. Yeah, well, stop trying. Just stop. Attorney General.
Sir.
법무부 장관에게 행사를 막으라는 지시를 내립니다.
He's taken a good time in my life and turned it into a bad one. Shut that filthy event down.
I give you a hand with those.
자신을 무시하는 아버지에게 상처받은 콜은 한 여자를 찾아가는데요.
Come on, girl.
얼마 전 그가 전남친과의 안전 이별을 도와주었던 이 여자는 드와이트가 운영하는 바의 바텐더였죠.
Come around anytime.
So, curious about this whiskey racket.
의외로 의리 넘치는 베빌라쿠아는 레이의 뜻을 이해하고도 아무런 반응도 하지 않습니다.
Now all of a sudden we're strangers?
Do I ask you what New York is up to?
Wyatt Ray asked this, not me.
Quiet Ray should call Dwight.
We got some serious shit happening, Dwight.
게다가 드와이트에게 이 움직임을 전부 보고하죠.
So, I mean, what's your plan for dealing with these animals?
It's a matter of time. Come on.
Quiet Ray wants me to turn on you.
He'll avoid that. He'll come at you with deception.
This is way too big to let it slide with New York. Going to war is a pretty good bet.
하지만 자신감에 찼던 드와이트는
Wait, you're overthinking this.
Am I?
조금은 아니란 선택을 하고 맙니다.
It's a danger. I don't fucking care. I'm ready for it.
We go to war? You got no f***ing opportunity.
이때 검증을 마친 덱스터가
Today must be, or the offer is withdrawn.
일방적인 만남을 요구하는데요.
Get that you're very busy, but that's not your top priority.
자리를 지키려 했지만 도청 중이던 무소의 재촉 때문에 어쩔 수 없이 약속을 잡습니다.
Yeah, bro.
친절하게도 약속 장소는 드와이트의 영업장.
Stay here.
And there you are. Do well for you. It's important, especially in mine, about my clients. Like, you can never know too much. 25 years in prison. It's admirable.
Let's get to it.
What type?
드와이트는 자신의 표적이
Jeremiah Dunmire.
제레미야라며 가짜 의뢰를 맡깁니다.
And then another 250 when I'm done. You have it?
그에게 금고를 털어 마련한 착수금까지 쥐어주며 의심을 피했지만
Very good. I'll call you. You're not a fad, are you? Poor joke.
누군가 이들의 접선을 감시하고 있다는 것은 알지 못했죠. 드와이트는 행사 시작 시간을 맞추지 못합니다. 베빌라쿠아가 만약을 위해서라며 행사장에 조직원들을 배치해 놓았지만
Why are they so strapped to a team?
Let's just say I'm protecting my investment.
Where's Dwight?
I had called him at
라이벌 마피아보다 더 무서운 감찰관이 나타납니다.
You just show up on this day?
Let's go. Let's get out. But you know this is a setup.
Yeah, of course it is. And shut us down in a second. Get out of his way.
그는 영업정지의 구실을 만들기 위해 이것저것 트집을 잡는데요.
There's evidence of infestation.
This is looking unhealthy.
What's it take?
Come again? Bribing a state official? Ordered to.
쌓아뒀던 오크통 갑자기 굴러내려옵니다.
Me!
피치 못할 사고는 아니었죠.
Just trying to scare the guy. It was an accident. No witnesses to speak of? None.
Welcome y'all to Montague Distillery.
클레오의 괴체사와 함께 시작된 행사.
To maintain his integrity. Cheers.
Oh my God, check this out.
Look at this.
드와이트까지 합류하며 드디어 시음을 시작할 수 있게 됩니다.
Hey guys. Sorry I'm late. Let's cheer it up. That's right, cheers.
So?
Yeah. Come on, let me help you.
그러나 그 사이 감찰관의 연락을 기다리던 제레미야의 인내심도 끝나버렸고
Fuck you guys going, huh?
Let's bring that bourbon right up here, please. This man
경찰까지 대동하고 직접 행사장에 들이닥치죠.
that I created with this girl's papa. You're fired! Cole, get rid of this bullshit.
행사장은 순식간에 아수라장이 되었고
See that man right there? He's the Attorney General. I did spoil your official launch. We'll be writing about the fine taste of the 50.
There will be blowback.
Fix it, sir. You will be blowback. Gonna shut this whole shithole down.
평판과 시음 행사는 엉망이 됩니다.
You okay?
Think a little bit.
In disaster.
Then we try again.
We're ruined.
No. She thinks we might be ruined. That's never what happened. Never. Because we're coming back stronger than before.
의기소침해진 부하들을 위로한 드와이트.
You'll see.
Okay. Who are you thinking?
He was going to shut us down for sure.
죽은 감사원에 대해서는
Call it a workplace accident.
Right.
And Bodie'll discover this while he's making his rounds.
사고사로 신고하라고 지시하며 하루를 마무리합니다. 아수라장이 된 밤.
Can I come in?
베빌라쿠아가 찾아옵니다.
You're like the mystery man now. I dropped off the trucks. We talked about Armand. Where'd you go?
Business at the house.
Didn't come anywhere near the house. You went to your bar. You know your problem is, Dwight? You're greedy. You want a bigger piece. You don't want to share.
배신이 의심되는 상황임에도
I'm a fucking rat! I didn't say those words. You did. Before you do, let me ask you a question. And I wasn't giving you answers. Honest. You kill me? Protect your real family? I think you would. No hesitation. But I didn't.
자신이 최고의 호의를 보여주고 있음을 어필하고 돌아가는데요. 이 만남 또한 감시하고 있었던 무소에게
Hands on the wheel, motherfucker! I ain't moving.
감금 당하게 되죠. 드와이트는 이 사실을 모른 채
Oh, the feds want me to go after this really bad guy
Well, what's the leverage? That's unfucking believable.
because they know everything. And I gotta finish this job before anybody else finds out. See? You know, we just gotta keep doing. We gotta work against it. We're not giving up. We're gonna succeed.
모든 것을 다 해결할 수 있을 거라는 무한한 자신감을 내비칩니다. 감찰관 문제도 잘 해결되는 것처럼 보였으나
An accident caused by what?
그토록 피하고 싶었던 영업 정지를 당하게 되는데요. 드와이트는 정식 사업에 필요한 자금 조달을 위해 1차 물량을 몰래 유통하기로 합니다.
We're gonna be ready to go to Plan B. And that means we're gonna be dealing with other brands. And we're gonna get into national distribution. So why don't you all take off? You and Cleo, a guy named Johnny Wednesday.
이때 한 발 늦게 날아온 베빌라쿠아의 실종 소식.
Wife said when he called, it was headed to you. Shit could get very bad.
뉴욕의 짓이라고 생각한 드와이트는 레이와의 면담을 요청하죠.
I think it's time we gave Quiet Ray a call.
Yeah,
How's the weather?
it's okay.
A place we both know. Bubbles. Yeah, I could change the forecast.
Where are we going?
Hot Springs, Arkansas.
Afternoon.
Where the hell
술을 빼돌린 조직원들은 도시 밖의 유통업자에게로 출발합니다.
We managed to put a GPS tracker on the outside of his vehicle last night.
차량에 GPS가 있다는 건 예상하지 못했죠.
He'll find a way. You want to make me proud, then you gotta finish this once and for all, whatever it takes.
그러나
Hello?
배송 중 베빌라쿠아의 실종을 알게 된 보디는
Well, I'll let you know if I hear anything.
뭔가 잘못되어 가고 있음을 직감합니다.
This is bad.
I mean, it must be worse than he's letting on.
Yeah, well, I've had a bad feeling since I met Dwight.
You think he's gonna pull off this scam?
That could be a life changer, and I'm up for it.
Ask you a favor, like, get rid of this music.
You could say so.
I shall do.
What's up with this Quiet Ray guy?
It's human nature, that's greed.
You scared of this guy?
A little bit.
콜은 드와이트와 조직원들을 처리해 아버지의 인정을 받기 위해 했습니다.
You heard him.
How long's the drive to Shreveport?
Another couple hours?
You have that in hand.
Yep, I just knew that man.
That's rare.
It is. We're into a full-fledged fucking casino. And somehow, Cleo, and it's still working.
매수한 교통경찰을 보내 미치와 클레오의 발을 묶어놓았지만
Robert Tremaine. Will you step out of the car for me? Cole Dunmire asked me to say hello.
두 사람은 불법에는 불법으로 대항했고
There's a couple more guns on another case there.
무사히 물건을 유통업자에게 넘기는데 성공하지요.
We were told to come here.
Let my men do the unloading.
I don't understand how this is supposed to work.
It just does. Progress report?
They've got Mitch Keller and the girl.
이를 알 리 없는 콜은 아버지에게 자신이 한 일을 자랑합니다.
I haven't had the chance yet.
그러나 제레미야는 자신을 만족시키려면 보스 정도는 잡아오라며 아들을 무시하죠. 실제로 그가 보낸 사람들은 노련한 늙은 마피아의 눈을 피하지 못했고
Bigfoot, you see that truck following us? No, I'm good. Get something for Bigfoot.
No, I've been saving up.
Drop 10 to 20,000 times a year, Big. Good job.
드와이트는 무사히 레이와의 약속 장소에 도착합니다.
Cover it and a couple bucks for you.
You go, sir. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
거물 마피아와의 만남을 앞두고 보기 드물게 긴장한 드와이트.
But he's been running this goddamn thing for over 26 years. And you don't do that being a nice guy. Quietly end up in cement.
Slow down, where are we?
What's going on, boss?
We got about a minute.
Your clock is wrong. You should fix it.
아무렇지도 않은 척 기싸움을 벌이는데요.
There he is.
Ray.
Been a long time since I've been on a plane.
Is Vince doing here? Jesus Christ.
So as I was saying, whiskey.
사업 수입의 80%를 요구하는 레이와
I want 80%. Who gives a shit about that asshole anyway?
동업자를 내놓으라는 드와이트가
Kicking your take like a fucking animal.
If I want to get to you or anybody, it's done.
팽팽히 맞서던 이때 멀찍이서 지켜보던 콜이 스윙을 날립니다.
You cocksucker, you're dead. That was meant for me.
레이는 드와이트가 자신을 암살하려 했다고 오해한 채 가버리죠. 망친 건 레이와의 회담만이 아니었습니다.
They found Armin. If I hear anything else, I'll let you know.
실종됐다던 아먼드의 시신이 발견된 건데요. 과했던 자신감에 비해 모든 것이 꼬여가고 있었습니다.